people, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. Well, Valentine's Day is just around the corner and if you are looking for that perfect gift to show that how someone special just mean to you, that too without breaking your bank balance, you are just in the right place. Well, today I'm super excited to show you amazing gift options and gift boxes from Salty Jewelry that will surely steal the show. That too, no matter what your budget is. So let's just dive into it. For those who are working under the budget of 600, you can still treat your loved one to something truly thoughtful and luxurious. Let me show you what it is. Box from Salty. Well, this comes under rupees 600 and इसमें बहुत amazing सी jewelry pieces है. First off, just look how amazing this box look like. I mean, this comes in the most beautiful packaging. It's all about the presentation and Salty Jewelry nails it. So when you open the box, you get this amazing gift card to actually add some personal touches into your gift. So it says, will you be my Valentine? And इसमें दो options है. One option says yes and another one says yes, yes, yes. I'm sure अगर ये मुझे कोई देता तो मैं तो for sure second वाला option click करती. Inside this, you will find this stunning heart magnetic clover necklace in rose gold. This is delicate, romantic, and truly a timeless piece that anyone would love and adore. Plus, it has that magical charm. Literally, the heart and the clover design symbolizes love and luck, making it a meaningful gift. So in this box, you also get this hug promise ring, which is in rose gold color. And just in case if you're wondering if you will get the size right, it is adjustable. And most importantly, it is anti-tarnish. That means ये shiny रहेगा throughout the years, no matter how much you use it. Even you can use it in water. It's just perfect to show someone how much you care about them. And all of it comes under rupees 600. If you are under the budget and you still want to make a big impression, this is the box you should get. And if you want some extra discount, don't forget to watch this video till the end to get that extra discount on your order. Now, if you have a little extra to spend on and you want something which is truly special and you want to make someone special feel a little bit more something, then this gift box, which is priced under rupees 1500, is what you should go with. Now let's see what it has inside it. What I'm talking about? Well, first off, let's just appreciate the packaging. I mean, the packaging is to die for, right? This gorgeous salty purple box feels so premium and will definitely have your loved one feeling extra special when they open it. I mean, yes, this is what I really wanted for Valentine's Day, but yeah, let's just open and let's see what it all has. So once you open the box, you will get this Valentine's Day card, which is just amazing. You know, if you know Salty Jewelry, you know how they love to add this personal touches to your jewelry boxes. And you will love the thoughtful touches they add into their love boxes. You get chocolates, yes. So, bina chocolate ke Valentine's Day, I don't think it makes any sense. So, of course, chocolate is mandatory. Well, before I get started with each jewelry, तो अगर आप देखोगे, आपको ये सारी jewelry ऐसे पैक में आएगा. And obviously छोटी छोटी पर्पल कलर की पोटली तो इन्होंने दी है. With this they have this premium quality jewelry and इसके अंदर भी प्लास्टिक की पैकेजिंग है. I mean, कितना एफर्ट्स पैकेजिंग में है. And being a girl, I know अगर कोई मुझे इतना अच्छे से पैक करके दे रहा है ना कुछ, I would just accept it and of course I would say yes for the Valentine's Day. Let's talk about this chunky teardrop earring. I mean, these are in gold and it adds the elegant, and this is a perfect statement piece for anyone who loves a little bit more sparkle, just like me. So they are perfect for dressing up on any look for a romantic date night or anything. And one more thing I really need to say is that the quality is top notch. Now it's time to check out this 5-piece lilac golden hoop earrings. This is set of 5 lilac golden hoop earring. I love how versatile these are and you can mix and match with them so many outfits from casual to dressy. Well, I would like to change my earrings now and I would really love to pick these pearly ones. I just love this pearly one so much. It just goes with my outfit like amazingly. And of course, you will get another magnetic heart bracelet with this one, like I showed you in the previous box. This pairs with a silver promise ring. Now let me show you how amazing this looks. So previously जो box मैंने दिखाया था उसमें rose gold में था and this looks amazing. So ये भी adjustable है. You don't have to worry about the size if you're getting anything wrong or what. You just give them and they can adjust. Butterfly drop earrings and stud. If you are little something for every occasion, and whether you want something casual, cute or playful or a little more chic, you can go in with this. I just absolutely love the color that it has, so definitely you can pair it with anything, and this goes with every occasion. How amazing these gift boxes are. If you're under rupees 600, or even if you want to go a little out of the box and you are ready to spend 1500, Salty Jewelry has you covered, and each box feels like it was chosen with love and just perfect for showing your special someone they mean to you this Valentine's box you're choosing. Do let me know in the comment down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gift ideas and happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you all super soon.